Am I on the screen? Is this live? Is this live? Okay, so yeah, it's working. Uh-huh. Uh, I seriously don't know what to say, but yeah. So right now I'm in Guntur, by the way, and this is my first live. Actually second, but first live of me speaking. You might have seen the title. Okay, fine. So today we are making dosa for my breakfast. I know it's like 12:44 right now. I'll actually show you that it's 12:44. Shit. Okay, so it's 12:44 right now. So I haven't done my breakfast. I just woke up and I don't know if I have to do breakfast or not. I'm not really hungry, but I want to eat, and this is not food cravings. It's like I just want to eat so that I don't get hungry later. So that's one thing, and I don't know how long this live can be. It can be till 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock until my mom arrives in the home. By the way, I and my mom live in this home, and it's because my mom got transferred to Guntur, and क्या बोलते हैं यार. Okay, this is my first live. Don't think that I'll be speaking all good raw talks, and it's like, oh, what do you say? It's gonna be completely like YouTube videos or something like that. No, it's not going to be like that. I may stammer, I may do anything, I may crash some things, I may not talk for some time because I'm cooking and etc etc and something like that. First we have to clean this trash. I mean, wait, these are so sealed, but weren't kept in this. I know I'm actually framing words right now, but that's taking time to process for me to even say sentences. That's like, but I actually intend to say, but the intentionally saying doesn't have this much of effect on the stammering, right? So first thing, actually place this whole laptop. Actually, stream through laptop, not any camera or something. So I actually placed it on this top, on the lap. I mean, on this fridge. So yeah. And by the way, tomorrow I'm going to Hyderabad back. I'll be recording live stream there also, but depends on how I mean, if I'm free at home and there are no interruptions over there. There's something on my screen. I'll actually get my. Wait, where is that? Okay, yeah. So I'll just clean the screen a little bit. This won't go. Why won't it go? Right. Is the reflection because of the window? I don't know how to close the window. Doesn't matter. I should open both the windows. Which ones I like to open. Can I just change it over here? I don't want to. Just keep it here. Fine. I know this is my first live, and I plan to do multiple lives for around 1 year approx, or at least 1 month. I'm building shell. I'll actually show you what is shell. So here it goes. This is shell, and currently cursor is actually building me for the plan I imposed. And this plan consists of a part of shell. By the way, if someone's actually seeing my what do you say? Seeing my क्या बोलते हैं यार? Seeing my video. Actually, let me see how many people are viewing me right now. 0. There's no one right now in the world viewing me, but I just plan to see that people watch me while I build something, build share especially. But actually, it's a good thing that no one's actually watching me, because I don't want to reveal it before Jan 1st. Wait a minute, I just need to clean some stuff. Yesterday night, actually, yesterday evening, no, day before yesterday evening, I got a realization that the information you're actually having in your brain is not by default, you're actually consuming it, right? But the information which comes into your brain, that's creativity by not by I mean by default. Like uh, there are two types of information that's in your brain currently. One, the information you are creating based on the information that's coming from outside, and the second type is the information coming from outside. So frying pan like मार दूँ क्या ऐसे? नहीं, it's not a good thing. Fine. Look at my physique. My shoulders are down and I'm a little fat. Just look at this. Oh shit, man! I'm fat. It's fine. By the way, if someone new person is watching it, actually they're not watching it, but okay, if they're actually watching it, I'm Rehan. I dropped out of my college because I want to build an AI system that basically is like symbiotic AI that helps you perform work by integrating into a lot of software and perhaps controlling your MacBook also or laptop in if you give access to it and actually want to do work, because the true potential of Shell comes when you actually let it use your MacBook. So the live stream I'm doing using OBS software, actually it's open source software. If you want to do live, you can use OBS software. So the software I am using, OBS software, can be controlled by Shell and automate the task of me, not keeping a lot of effort in navigating the UI and navigating the each and every button to set those things, and then I can just say Shell, I want this screen to be here and I want this feature to be added, or I want to show them this now. Then Shell can do that, not by just operating the screen, but actually integrating into it in a way that software and Shell are one inside a body that is Shell. That's the whole concept of Shell for now. You can do CAD, CAM, MATLAB simulations, Simulink, and you can even do this. You can use Blender. You can do CGI designs using Shell, which it will integrate into Blender and do it because of this thing called MCP, Model Context Protocol. I'm not going deep into it. Just go do research. Google it, man. And then so wait. After that, so where were we? So wait, okay. So the two types of man, I'm just jumping out of topics, and this is exactly what happens when you let your brain think, not just consume. And all this information that I'm actually talking and the brain is thinking comes from the outside information. That's consumption, by the way. You don't have to consume a lot. You can create infinite number of iterations in your brain that actually are thoughts, infinite number of thoughts for even 1 day of consumption of internet. You can actually do that, and you don't need to consume internet every single day, but depends on people opinions, how they behave. Like some people watch internet daily, regularly, and even they scroll for hours, not just scroll but watch long lectures and all. Even my live stream is on internet and you're watching me right now, and that's also called consumption. And after a few days, after watching this live, you just take your time and give yourself time. Don't think about don't do anything. Just let your brain process that's happening in the live stream, if you will do, or any other thing which happened to you, or something which the information you have consumed. Just let the brain process it, and then see how many infinite possibilities you can branch out of that single thought. And you can't actually witness while you're thinking. You can only witness after it has happened. And that leads me to a theory of attention is all you need. That's a paper published by Google, opted by many AI companies to make LLMs. So you can only understand. Attention is all you need. How you got it, but that also applies to humans, to certain humans, not all, who are distracted by the external forces or situations or symptoms happening. that lets them not do the work. Like example, I'm live streaming here and I want to make dosa, and I'm actually not doing because of this situation where I'm speaking. I'm actually doing a lot of gestures right here and there, moving on all this. Actually, this is inspired by Ranveer Alabadia. I just took his name. That doesn't make me a bad guy, not in the court case, because I admire him. Not that I watch his videos regularly. I don't even watch his videos anymore. But the kind of attitude he has given me and I have learned from him is is a lot more stronger than anything else that I have actually learned. And that is one of the key important factors that actually made me quit college. I mean, I'm not blaming the thing I have learned. It's like you run chain of thoughts based on the consumption, and those chain of thoughts create the intuition for you to do some things, and that's how actually I got founder energy and quit the college. I mean, not quit completely. I have taken a gap. That's called academic break, where you get 1 year of free exemption from all the exams, but you again have to write them um, from next year and continue the same semester from the same year. So basically, that's what happened. That's what's happening. I'm bad at English. So, uh, so that's the energy that I have got, and also see a lot of people spot. I mean, speeches like they speak, like example Sam Altman, Andre Karpatre, even and Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai, Elon Musk, all the tech guys, big guys, and I even see Putin's speeches with subtitles, of course, and um, I see a lot of people's speeches, but not into those political speeches. I'm not gonna say any political opinion on this channel. I'm not going to be the guy who says political opinions wide open on this live, because might be later on people might see these things. Right now, there's no one. Should I actually promote this live? Ah man, I don't know at all. Fine, let's see. Let's make dosa first. First, we need to heat the pan a lot until the pan gets really hot and is optimum for ah optimum for cooking. It's my first live, so I'm still figuring out what to speak and what not to speak. And I'm also going to. I'm actually joining gym from Jan first. It's kind of a resolution, but not just that. हम कभी तुझे देख नहीं सकते तुझे कभी नहीं By the way, I don't know how long this live can be, but I'm gonna end it as soon as I finish cooking this dosa. Because I'm not gonna show you guys that I'm eating and all the lot of stuff which I'll do after eating, consuming information in form of content on YouTube or any other external sources to entertain me in the form of entertainment, and then again start another live, perhaps, yeah, because there's no feature in YouTube that lets you pause the live stream, I guess, if that's so. Hey Siri. I need to type it. Don't just go away, bro. I'll actually copy this. So, are you able to see my screen where I show shell? I mean, hold on. Okay, fine, I don't care. Turn on DVD on live stream features. Hey Siri, ask ChatGPT, is there any feature to pause a live stream on YouTube instead of ending it? So basically, I was wrong. YouTube lets you take breaks. Okay, that's called take a break. Um, okay, got it. Got it, mate. Fine. Oh shit. Actually, need to wait for some time. This is too hot right now, see? Whoa. Can I change the view where you guys can see it? No, it's actually stopping it. If I keep it here, it's done, bro. My laptop's probably falling down. It probably will fall down. Yeah, there's no guarantee that if that. This is what I have keeping laptop on, so I'm not risking it for now. I'll actually just keep it here. Kind of try to talk the same way I can. Okay, it's better now. Actually, no, you don't need to burn the whole pan. You just need to make it warm. But I accidentally burned because I was checking take a break option, and there's going to be a break. Okay, the first batter of dosa goes here. Actually, I know how to cook dosa. So, people who might say that I'm actually doing it for the first time, sorry, you're wrong. Should we do a 0 subscribers, 0 view, 19 subscribers, 0 views Q&A here? I guess I can. Okay, bro. I'm fat from back. I'm like too fat from back. I'll actually find. Yeah, so Q&A comes here. Who's my favorite Instagram influencer? That comes to Anant Disappointing Vlogs. Just go check him out. It's really good to. Why is it even having a lag? Bro, you can't have this lag for me. Did the live even end? No, it didn't end. So, what can happen actually? Okay, is this it? Fine, it actually looks good. The frame looks good. The frame looks better. But yeah, actually I can just. Oh fuck, bro. Hey, yeah. I don't have that. What do you say? Yeah, getting that. Okay, just still time to cook. I guess, yeah. And second question comes here. When will I promote the live stream on YouTube? Actually, I wanted to say never, but actually I want to promote it. Let's see how well can I do that. People say documenting their journey of so and so thing when they have started something, but I don't have time to edit those videos. Probably I actually edit this live stream into a long form video, which has precise cuts and perfect staying and good frames and whatever I say are good. Uh, as a long form video on YouTube, typical long form videos on YouTube. So wait a second. So after that, I'm actually forgetting things, bro. I should have noted them down. So yeah, the Q&A when I'm gonna promote it on Instagram, I wanted to say never, but yeah, I will actually promote it from Jan 1st. That's gonna be my New Year resolution. But actually, that's a New Year resolution that I can come up with. We messed up this dosa. And by the way, dosa is a South Indian food which is favorite for most of the people, and even for me, especially masala dosa. But the dosa which I have made now is currently fried and fucked up. I will actually show you. It's too small. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. My laptop is burning, bro. Literally, my laptop is burning. It's actually overheating right now. My MacBook is overheating. I don't know how to solve this problem. If someone can help me, bro, please. I need to solve the. I can't do anything without my laptop, bro. My laptop is my life. We're 19. Hey, Didi, hi. Hi. You can comment something if you want. Okay, at least don't criticize this video in a way that message retract. Your message is retract. Do your work. This is my work, bro. Arey. See, I'm actually doing this live stream to show that I'm working, but I'll actually take a break after making dosas and eat first, then do something. I'm actually talking a lot in this meaningful. Okay, this is actually meaningful, bro. Arey, yaar. What I'm doing is I'm actually thinking and talking about. I'm not actually saying that I'm doing vlog or something like that. I'm actually sharing my thoughts on this YouTube live stream. By the way, I'll actually do work after eating. And let me just fry this dosa. I'm actually I'm cooking at the same time talking so that people see me. And not just for the views. See, I have 0 views. I haven't promoted this on Instagram and something. If I promote it on Instagram, I would just get 1,000 views like this. But I don't want to do that. And this live stream is mainly not because I'm cooking and talking. It's for me sharing the screen and showing that what I work and talk about my work actually. So give me some time and you will actually notice that the live stream has that content that I'm actually working. If you don't like it, doesn't matter. I don't care if you don't like it. It's just not chart rate to content view. You're still watching me? Okay. Hello. Are you still watching me? Are you showing it to someone? Just comment it, bro. If you're showing it to someone. By the way, why are you stalking my YouTube channel? Did you get the notification of that? Hello. Can you hear me? Just comment if you can hear me. average view duration 10 minutes. Okay, I've seen this for 10 minutes. I'll actually instead show you what I'm about to do. So if you can see my screen, there's some to-do lists. But coming to here is the actual work going on. So you can see here, right, generating text over here, and you can see that the AI is actually working for me to do to do things. It's actually coding the entire project for me after me giving a plan for it. So I'm actually working and I'm actually talking about work. So good to know that followers nahi hai तेरे को. Why you're doing this all to gain followers, bro? To gain followers. Let do some articles now. People do this to get followers. And not because they have followers they do it. Go I would say a big YouTuber's name who live streams and gets millions of followers, but ask what's his first video. Check out what's his first video and how many views does he have on that day. It's probably less than 10 or 20, something like that. I wanted to make crispy dosa, but it turned out to to be very bad. Yes, Papa. Huh? Acha, okay. He's actually watching me. Wow. Let me remember one thing. You said do something meaningful, right? But are you doing it? Are you doing something meaningful? So now I have two views. Who is the second person? Can you just tell me who is that? I mean, just comment who is that. I'm actually super hungry right now. Actually, YouTube says I can only give a break for up to 5 minutes, but I'm gonna eat, so I have to end the stream, unfortunately. Actually, not fortunate. I just don't care about this fortunate, unfortunate. Just leave it. It's all Wait a second. Who is that second view? Okay, now they have gone. They are gone right now, but I don't know if it's real time or not. So basically, I don't. YouTube shows you two views, but it's actually one view. I mean, one person viewing two times, going back and coming again. Yesterday, dosas were really good, but today it's not happening. So now, right now, I have current viewers 0. It's fine. This shouldn't drop my motivation to do these videos. And I'm not doing these videos to become a top streamer of the century or something like that. I'm actually doing it to document my journey. That's it. That's it. That's the whole point of this live streams. I could actually eat and cook simultaneously, but I wanted to actually take a break. Actually, when I need to do workouts, because my father says I'm shorter, so I actually need to do workouts to get taller, to stretch my body. You know what? This agent is working since didn't even start cooking. I didn't even started the stream, by the way. This agent is working and it's working really hard. Look at the things it's doing. See, it started from here, the phase 4, build WebSocket and LangGraph. Basically, I'll explain you after some time what actually I do after eating actually. So it's actually writing mass files of code and generating it for shell, and that's really good. Is someone calling me? Okay, someone actually calling me. I need to shut this audio off and even this audio off. I mean, wait. Okay, fine. Is someone able to hear me? Okay, fine, just leave it. Hello. Hi. तेरे कहीं कर रहे हैं? तेरे काम कर रहे हैं? I'm live streaming my journey of building that startup. How? Breakfast how? उठा काम करता अब्बा क्या अब्बा you believe or not I don't care कहीं कहीं क्या लगता है अरे नहीं रे नहा लेके आया मैं नहीं हो गया थक लेना था नहीं हो करता हूँ Good polymer for was I mean which head level पास से तो से ओके पापा देखिए क्या बोले लाइव मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम को क्या बोल रहे हैं ओके ये तो मुझे लग रहा है वही मैं घर में है वही मैं मालूम Tell me. किसका रूम है? हाँ? Hello, that is my room. I went to show. That's why you are there. Right. Bye. Bye bye bye. मम्मी के वास्ते मम्मी बनाती है मेरे वास्ते नहीं रे मैं क्या करती हूँ तो आपको ऐसे बर्तन तो अपना बाय I don't wait a second I don't right now have internet and I'm using mobile hotspot for that. So if I don't charge it, I'm not going to get mobile data, and if I don't get it, and I won't be able to share the hotspot and get the live stream done. You know, it's very difficult to speak in another language when you it's not your mother tongue language, and what did I actually wanted to say? When it's not your mother tongue language and you know the language, it's hard to speak because there are two reasons, I guess. One, you need to translate it from your mother tongue language to other, and second, you don't often speak it in your home or anywhere. If you're not actually working and you're a teenager who sits in the home and builds stuff, so you don't actually speak a lot of English, and there's not a lot of use case of you to speak English. If you're a person like me in the sense of the phase I'm going on right now. So that's a thing which I just noticed. I was completely wrong at making dosas. So basically I had to actually make it cook completely and then take it from the pan. But I'm actually taking it before it gets fully cooked because I'm scared that it gets burnt or something like that. It will get burned or something. See the lag duration that I'm having here? That's because that's the example of not speaking good in your other languages which you're fluent at. While you are constantly watched or streamed. You're not actually promoting this live streams or something, right? 1, 2, 3, 2 work it goes. Fine. Have some body and then we'll do it. Now, a lot of people who might see this YouTube channel, I mean the live stream, they're actually thinking, why is it taking a lot of time to cook? Because of you guys. Actually talking to you, so it's taking time to cook. And time is money, everyone say that. I agree 100% with that. And what I'm doing might get me money, so the chances are quite high. That's the reason I'm actually doing this stuff. And also to generate a personal brand around Instagram, to say that I exist, I do so and so stuff, and I think in this way. Because things happen when you get connected to people. You know the butterfly effect. So butterfly effect. So one thing happens, then another, and all these things are effect of each another. That's how this happens. You do networking with people, and then they help you connect with people, and because of you have this networking, something might click in that whole network you have to actually consume your dreams and pursue your dreams. Oh shit, I haven't kept oil here. I don't know if someone has yet tried in this planet to do these live streams while building something and vlogging their lives, not just as a long form YouTube video but as a very long form stream. If you guys know where no one's watching, actually, I'm talking to myself, and I should not be actually asking people this. What I was about to ask is, suggest me some people who actually do that, but this video has literally no views. So how can I expect someone to do that? Like in future, someone would see this video and then come and suggest me. But then I could just Google them or ChatGPT them. Is this the first time I'm taking the name of ChatGPT in this live stream? It is. But I work a lot close with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like my jigri dost. From this channel, I would not actually expect a lot of results. You know, I should probably change the way I talk. With this channel, I don't expect a lot of views, because at this point of time, because I mean, I don't expect to go this channel at least to have 1000 subscribers. I don't expect it because I'm not promoting it. It's all the YouTube algorithm that's gonna take from here. But if I promote it, it might reach it. But again, I don't speculate anything on the channel's growth, because that's not actually what I want to make it happen. And actually we're sharing everything, whatever I think and whatever is actually going in my life and why is it actually happening. At least if I understand them. There are actually two types of dosas which I actually admire to like. One, normal जो चावल से बनाते हैं वो चिल वो वाला क्या बोलते हैं वो वाला डोसा, और दूसरा is this pesto वाला dosa, and I like pesto dosa a lot more better. And pesto dosa is the best dosa out of all dosas, and pesto karam podi dosa is much more better than that dosa. And in English, ghee karam idli, no doubt, period. So okay, I have my breakfast here. I gotta end this YouTube video here itself. I mean YouTube stream here itself, and then talk to you guys after this video gets. After I complete my breakfast, and then I'll actually show you the entire process of this buddy. What's happening? Okay, tool call ended before results were received. Absolutely okay, but it's working for so long that it eventually has to end it. But there are things that it has done that are really good. And you, by the way, you call this ID as cursor if someone's seeing this. So all the green stuff you see here is what it has actually coded, and the red stuff it's highlighting is the thing which it has to eliminate, and all the rest of the part is going to be the same. So let's see, after some time I'll actually start recording again, and then actually I'll talk everything about why I'm actually making this live video. It's not just coming from the documentation perspective, the documenting my whole journey to do something, prove something or something like that, but it's actually to keep me working instead of procrastinating. This might be the hardest and most unique and probably the rarest thing which someone can choose to the rarest thing which someone can choose to get rid of that procrastination and continue with the work. I'll improve sooner. But again, yeah, for now, break.